Good morning guys, my room is a mess. Things are hanging everywhere, things are happening. I am packing for New York today, so I thought I would do that with you. You guys loved my last weekly vlog so much, so I thought I would vlog a bit more of my week. I'm gonna bring you real close to my eyes because this is my eyebrows with nothing on them except brushed. Like, Anka, when she tinted them and shaped them, did a really good job. Like, I might have sleep in my eye. I'm very, very happy with these. Honestly, getting my eyebrows done, like, the past 3 months or whatever, has made me feel so much more confident about my face. Because it honestly changes my face so much, and it just makes me feel so good. So I highly recommend getting something done to your eyebrows. Yeah, so Scott just went off to work. I am heading to New York tomorrow morning with my best friend Tom, quite early. I will vlog the whole trip, of course, but today I thought I would film me packing and showing you what I picked up when I went shopping yesterday. I've also been sent a couple of things from a few brands, so I want to show you what I got and what's gonna go in my suitcase. I couldn't really sleep last night, but I think that's because I'm thinking about everything that's going on. I also bought an expensive pair of shoes, so I had like guilt all night thinking about that. And then obviously everything with the coronavirus, I have like a lot of travel lined up this month and next month. And I'm just thinking like, will I be able to do all of it? I hope I can. I feel like the news is making a meal of it all. Obviously it is a really serious and important issue, but there are a lot of things that are serious and important in the world, and I think that if everyone kept to basic hygiene, that's all that we can do, really. I think there's a lot of rumours and gossip about the virus as well. I'll link a video that I watched debunking myths about the virus, because I'm not a scientist, so I can't give you advice, but these guys are, so I'll leave a link for that in the description below so you can put all your rumours to rest. But before I do any of that, I just got ready because I have to go to the post office. I ordered some jackets from Nasty Gal. This like white trench coat and then this like faux leather shearling coat. And honestly, I need to stop because after Zara, I should have known that none of the sleeves on the women's clothing are long enough. I'm a tall person, and even though the coats fit me on the shoulders, the sleeves just didn't come down long enough. So although I'd love to shop on Nasty Gal and like the women's section of places, the jackets just don't fit me. It's so annoying. First world problem, I know, the women's jackets don't fit me, but at least you know now, if you are tall like me, the sleeves won't fit you. I've been the king of procrastination for a few hours, and now I'm gonna tidy my room because I can't even begin to think about packing without having everything tidy first. So let's do this. Putting some clothes away, and I realised that I haven't shown you guys, well, I recently got a gift package from Cold Laundry. Now, I know, controversial, because they've had a lot of issues with shipping and stuff like that, but I feel like they're ironing out their process and it's becoming a lot more organised. I'm going to show you what they sent me and you can see what I think of it. First off, they sent me the brown like puffer jacket in this kind of chocolatey colour, which I think is really, really lovely. So I really, really like that. I love the tone of it. They sent me some kind of more pinky. They're not the same colour as the puffer jacket. They're like a little different. More like pink trousers with a bit of elastic at the back. And actually I put these on and they were very, very tight around my thigh, so it was kind of pulling in the middle, and they are a size large. I just can't get away with some trousers, they just really don't fit me the best. Next up is this kind of matching brown, I would say corduroy, but it's very, very comfortable. It's not like a rigid cord tracksuit set, so it's got like this really oversized hoodie and then matching tracksuit bottoms, which are really cozy and comfy. And I actually really love this set. I think it's a really, really nice co-ord. They then sent me one of their new suits, which is like this kind of powder blue. It's a different blue to the suit that I got previously in the summer, and these trousers fit me really nicely, and the blazer is super oversized as well. I will show you what it looks like on just so you can get a feel for what it is. And then finally they sent me this like mock neck green tracksuit, but I'm not a huge fan of the colour. It's a really nice idea with the kind of mock neck, and the material feels really luxurious and really kind of like heavyweight cotton as well, but it's just not my kind of cup of tea. But it is a nice set. So I feel like the reason why a lot of you might have clicked on this video is for the Prada unboxing. So before I get the suitcase out and start putting everything in, obviously these will be the first thing going in my box. So I wanna, in my suitcase. So I wanna show you guys what I picked up. The bag is huge, honestly. So I went to Selfridges yesterday. Me and my friend Sarah went for lunch. I've not seen her in ages, so we had a bit of a catch up. And before I met her, I was walking around Selfridges because I got there a little bit early, just to have a little bit of a wander. And I saw these boots and I was like, I've seen these on Instagram like before Christmas and was like obsessed. I've tried to find them online so many times but could never find them. So I finally saw them in store and I was like, so after we had lunch, I went back and tried on a pair and here we are. So this bag is so big, honestly, I can't. I like that they gave me this bag though, because usually when you buy stuff from Selfridges, they give you the yellow Selfridges bag, which I love, but also that Prada bag is insane. So here is the beefy box. Now, you know I'm into chunky boots, and these are like the ultimate chunky boots. Now, I love my Bottega boots, they're incredible, but I feel like these are very different. So these are the Prada monolith boots, I believe. So we have the really chunky sole on the bottom, we have the leather and nylon upper, and with a detachable strap with the pouch detailing on it. These are a really popular women's wear boot, but the women's wear one is like knee high. They are so beautiful. You see a lot of copies in like Zara and wherever, like Public Desire, that kind of thing. The sales associate in Prada said that the women's ones were so popular that they decided to do a men's version as well. Obviously the men's one is shorter. I feel like it's just a very versatile boot. Yes, you have the kind of pouch detailing, which is very trendy right now, but you can also detach that. So I feel like I've just invested in a really versatile pair of boots. Sarah had a good point. She was like, they are like a Prada, Dr. Martin kind of crossover. They're just beautiful. They're extremely comfortable as well. Like I put my foot in and they seem to be, the leather inside is so soft, and obviously she went a whole size down. I tried on the 9.5 because they didn't have a 9. I'm a 9 by the way, and the 9.5 were way too big, and then they had an 8, so I was like, let me try on the 8 and see, and I fit my foot in perfectly. So I would size down in these for sure because they fit a little bit big. They're extremely lightweight as well. I thought that they would be super heavy, but they are light as a feather, honestly. This sole is like, if you ever get to hold a pair in real life, just pick them up because they are much lighter than you think. I love that the strap is detachable as well. I love the little pocket. Don't know what I'm going to keep in there. Money, nuts, you know? I can think of a few other things, but they were very expensive, and I couldn't sleep last night because of the overwhelming sense of guilt that was in my head for purchasing them. But I just know that if I didn't purchase them, I would also not be sleeping. So I was like, I may as well just purchase them and not sleep anyway, but at least I know that I have them. That doesn't really make sense. But yeah, they are insanely beautiful, and I'm extremely happy that I purchased them, and I can't wait to wear them and style them. I think they are stunning. They're honestly so comfortable. I cannot wait to wear these properly. Also, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but if you don't, now is a good time to start, because to celebrate the milestone of hitting 250,000 followers, which is absolutely mind-boggling. Like, when I first started Instagram, I was surprised to even get like 1,000 followers. So the fact that I have 250,000 is crazy. I've been doing it for a long time. It's taken a lot of hard work and effort, and I still post regularly and have done for years. It's not been easy, that's for sure. But to say thank you, you guys know that I always use my Prada brick bag, like constantly. So I purchased a new one to give away. If it would get out of this dust bag. Now, by the time this video goes live, the giveaway will already have been live on Instagram for a few days, and it will only have a few days left because I'm only doing it for a week. But basically, you just have to go onto my Instagram, make sure you're following it, like the post, and tag 3 friends in the comments. That's like your entry. You can share it on your story as well if you want an extra entry, but the winner will be announced a week. The info's on the Instagram post, I can't remember it exactly, but yeah, I'm giving away my iconic brick bag to one lucky person. So I know this is really wonky, sorry. It makes me really happy to be able to do giveaways like this. I remember I did a giveaway when I hit 100k here on YouTube as well, and yeah, now the one for 250k on Instagram. It's just really nice to be able to give back to you guys. I know it's annoying because it can only be one person, but I will try and do as many giveaways in the future as I possibly can. Okay, so I'm taking my big suitcase and my hand carry as well. I'll also take crossbody bags obviously, but I'll put them into the hand carry. We're staying in an Airbnb that has a gym apparently as part of the building, so I'm going to take my gym stuff just in case I want to exercise a little bit. I have written a list of like essential things that I need to take, but the clothes I'm still undecided. I usually confirm kind of like which shoes and stuff that I'm taking and then build the fits around those. So I'm definitely going to be taking the Prada pups. Definitely going to take my Balenciaga Croc derbies. And then I feel like I should take 2 pairs of sneakers as well. Definitely my tracks because I live in these and they're just really comfy, especially if we're going to be walking around NYC all day. And then maybe my Dior ones, my Dior obliques if I'm feeling like being a bit smarter, you know? And I think that's the 4 footwear options I will take. Clothing wise, I obviously only have this case and a lot of my jackets are really large. I know I definitely want to take my biker jacket because that's a really nice like New York kind of city vibe. What do I take? Ah! That is obviously way too much stuff. I need to go through and condense this down now. That's how I pack. I like overfill and then I'm like, wait, let's edit. So I've finished packing, I think. That is the finished, what we have going on. A lot of black clothing, you see. I'm very adventurous. I feel like a Jedi Yoda person in this brown ensemble. But this is what I'm gonna fly in, so I wore it because I was like, I don't have to pack this, so I'll keep it out. Yeah, that's enough procrastinating from me. I think I'm gonna sign off here and then start the next vlog with my journey to NYC, which should be really fun, so I'm very excited. I hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the Prada unboxing, and I hope you've gone and entered my giveaway over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in New York. Bye guys.